Hello, thank you so much for joining me. I'm out in the garden, it's windy, but I hope it's not buffeting too much on the sound, because I really wanted to make this video this morning. Those of you who have been around with me for long know that I like birds. I like watching birds. I love interacting with birds. And I have been gifted by a company called AVIAPECK, who had obviously picked up on my liking for birds on my channel. I have been given this gorgeous Peck Perk bird feeder. Right, so a friend came round and helped me to put it up yesterday, and yeah, it was easy for him to do, and I was the gopher, and we had some giggles, which is always good. But as you can see, it is a bird feeder. It's got a big container for seed, so you're not having to top it up every day unless you've got vultures landing on there. And the seed is just popped into the top there, and it's sealed, and it comes down through the chamber onto the tray here, and there's a bird landing zone. You might have noticed that there's also a camera in the middle, and yeah, it's super. I am still very much at the start of my learning curve on this. Those of you who are very IT efficient will get your camera sorted and know what you're doing. I am still learning, but the camera is fed by its own source of energy from the sun, and apparently it doesn't need that much sunshine to keep it charged for a whole day. This I chose to have on a tree stump, so it's fixed on with a tight belt. It can go on a wall, or it can go on a tripod, like a camera tripod. But this I wanted to have here. And what can it do? Well, it can attract the birds. And my birds, even though it only went up yesterday evening, they are investigating. But I'm investigating too, so we're both learning. And sadly, I don't think that the doves here will be partaking, or the owl round the corner. Mind you, if he tried to sit on there, as he's full of stones, it would not be a good idea. So what does this piece of kit do? It has full colour night vision. It's got a wide angled lens, giving a good view. And I've tried that, and I can see the lane and my house and everything. It's great. You can put an SD card in. I've not done anything like that yet. There's two-way audio, which means that I have activated a sound that hopefully will put squirrels off. It's obviously weatherproof, and you can record live video. It has motion detection, so there's lots for me to investigate. The lady that I've been talking to about this said if I could include some video of the birds, but the birds are still only just investigating, and there's still seed in the feeders. Once that runs out, then they will investigate this some more. But I just wanted to let you see it. And this clematis, I haven't emptied the dead wood from inside, and I've seen robins, I've seen sparrows, I've seen a wren going in and out of here. So once they get the confidence to make that short trip, I imagine they will be very happy. But it was easy to fix up. I just have one thing. Oh, I've left it inside. There's a little flower, and I don't know what it's for, and it doesn't say anywhere. I am wondering if it's a feeder for the more exotic birds like hummingbirds, because it seems it's got a little container on the back. I could be completely wrong on that, but that's my working theory at present. I'll have to go online and check that out. But I am so excited to be able to watch, record, and identify any strangers, because you can do that. You can identify, I think it's 11,000 or 1,100 birds, a lot of birds. But I haven't asked it to identify one that I photographed. I will add that at the end and see, you will see why I haven't asked for an identity parade for that one. So this is going to be a fount of interest for me, for my granddaughter when she visits. And I'm hoping that friends and neighbours will be interested as well. It will be good to see which birds come, when they come, and how long they stay on there. I've got a source of water just down below so that they can drink when they've had their food. So on that note, as that wind is getting up even more, I will say, have a look at the link. I'll put a link to the company, and there is a 10% off offer if you use that link. Have a look at their website, lots and lots of info on there. And I'll keep you in the picture when I'm fully conversant with my camera and how it works with this. As I say, people younger, people who are IT savvy, no problem. It's just that for me it takes a little bit longer, but I'll get there and I'll enjoy the getting. So thank you for joining me, and do check out the details in the blurb underneath. Thanks for joining me. Take care. Speak to you soon. Bye for now. Bye.